Power to the people.
We are in Ahoada West, is it not? We are not strangers here. We have done a lot here. And because of what we have done, we believe strongly that we have the right, first right of winning. Is it not? We have always responded to your calls. When you have flood issue, the party and also the government responded. You are aware that outside the governor or the government responding individually, we did, and I also did on my own. It shows somebody who understands and have a feeling for his people. We know your problem. Your major problem is the issue of flood. When we come on board, we will make sure that the effect of this flood will not be like anymore. For other things, we have always said we are a government of consolidation. The present government have done roads, the government has done other things for you. We are going to consolidate on it. And what are those things? Ensure that you have good security, ensure that your schools are working, ensures that your hospitals are working, ensures that every other thing that are around you are in good shape. That is the purpose of governance. That is the purpose of governance. And that is the dividend of democracy. Let me, on behalf of every candidate that are here, to thank His Excellency and the leaders of our party. I'm thanking them because they believed in us, and because they believe in us, we will not let them down. We will not let them down. We will ensure that the heights that they've attained, we will exceed it. If every one of you here are sure that you have your PVC, and for those people who don't have the PVC, ensure you pick your PVC and secure it for that day. The 25th of February, you know what to do. And 11th of March.